everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about ways to brainstorm new products.
So this is a fun one, and it requires you doing a little bit of research to take and figure out new products that you'd like to offer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, one way of doing this that we've done a little bit before is we just follow a bunch of other blacksmiths on Instagram. And so like we'll get on the feed and there's just all kinds of projects like constantly all day long, like just flowing through. And you can always just pick one of those and add some variations or put your own spin on it, and it'll give you an idea to start with. So for example, I've seen one on Instagram that I've never seen anywhere else yet. It was a forged hanger, and I thought, well, that's kind of neat. That could be a really unique item for like a wedding, like a wedding dress or something to hang on. But anyway, that's a little bunny trail there. Yeah, no, that's a great way of brainstorming new products. So it's less about copycatting somebody else, and it's more or less taking the inspiration that you see from somebody else's work and then applying that to your own business and to the own products that you want to offer. So blacksmiths as a whole and most artisans copy each other's work or people that they admire. And, there's ultimately nothing wrong with doing that as long as you're not trying to sell it as a knockoff of that individual's product, so to speak. So, so you want to just make sure that you have good intent when it comes to it. Don't try to blatantly copy everything about their product and do it exactly like they're doing it. Again, you're just trying to make a knockoff, and at that point, that's not really tolerated in the blacksmithing community or artist community as well. So take an element that you really like. Maybe it had a certain twist that you haven't tried yet, and then incorporate that twist in some of your other projects. And then what you'll notice is that you can have a lot of different variations, even with your same products that you're offering right now. So another great way to take and do this is to take and buy Jessica's Blacksmith cheat sheet. Yes, it is. Yeah, the Blacksmith cheat sheet, it has 50 different items in there, and likely there's quite a few that you've never heard of before or given any thought to. So that's a great way to start. Another thing that would be a big resource to you in it is I've included a lot of variations that you can do on those items as well. So again, that even broadens the horizon more than just 50 items per se. Yeah,
so you can check the link in the description down below if you have any interest in that. Some of the other ways that you could take and get some inspiration is just go out in nature a little bit. If you like to do a lot of organic work, sometimes that's the easiest thing, especially in the spring and things like that. You can gain so many good ideals off of just watching nature at its best. So that'll be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you all enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.